Ever thought about a world where intelligence transcends its predefined limits? Current AI technologies operate within confined parameters, restricted by predetermined rules. Now, imagine a system that not only performs tasks within set boundaries but goes beyond, possessing the autonomy to control itself, a profound self-awareness, and the innate ability to learn new skills. This is the enigma of artificial general intelligence called AGI. Artificial general intelligence, AGI, refers to a type of AI that exhibits the capacity to comprehend, learn, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks and domains. AGI extends its applicability to a broader spectrum of use cases and encompasses cognitive flexibility, adaptability, and proficient problem-solving skills. What sets AGI apart is its pursuit of breaking free from the shackles of predefined tasks. Unlike traditional AI models, AGI is designed to adapt, learn, and problem-solve in uncharted territories. It's like having an AI companion with human-like abilities, navigating complexities beyond its initial training. The advent of AGI signifies the emergence of AI capable of engaging in abstract thinking, applying common sense, utilizing background knowledge, executing transfer learning, and understanding cause and effect. This breakthrough would unlock a multitude of opportunities across various industries. In the medical sector, AGI could revolutionize surgery, while in the automotive industry, it could pave the way for autonomous cars. Some visionary perspectives on AGI even envision the technology playing a pivotal role in addressing monumental challenges such as climate change. AGI exhibits the capability to execute intricate tasks demanding cognitive abilities at a level comparable to humans. It excels in comprehending natural language, engaging in reasoning, learning dynamically, and creatively resolving problems spanning diverse domains. Nevertheless, it is crucial to recognize the existing constraints of AGI, including challenges in contextual understanding, common sense reasoning, and adaptability to unfamiliar situations. Discover the remarkable benefits of artificial general intelligence, AGI, for better vision and application opportunities in your business and daily lives. AGI's problem-solving prowess. With the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge across diverse tasks, AGI excels in solving complex scenarios that traditionally rely on human intelligence. Efficiency and speed unleashed. AGI outpaces humans in performing large-scale tasks swiftly and efficiently. Free from fatigue or breaks, it holds the potential for significant productivity boosts across industries. Data analysis elevated. In managing vast data sets, AGI goes beyond basic analysis. Its general intelligence comprehends data contextually, offering richer insights and more accurate predictions. Autonomous learning advantage. AGI autonomously improves performance without specific instructions. This feature makes it invaluable in environments requiring constant learning and adaptation. Industries transformed. From healthcare to education, AGI promises to revolutionize industries. It takes on routine tasks, provides unique solutions to complex problems, and unveils unexplored opportunities, heralding a new era of transformative technology. Knowing the basics of AGI, how could one differentiate it from the services and tools of AI as a separate understanding? AGI, a subset of AI, stands out as a theoretically more sophisticated form than traditional AI. Unlike AI, which depends on algorithms or pre-programmed rules to execute limited tasks within a specific context, AGI possesses the capacity to autonomously solve problems and learn to adapt to a diverse array of contexts, mirroring human-like adaptability. Moreover, AI represents a computer science discipline that empowers software to tackle challenging tasks with human-level performance. In contrast, an AGI system transcends these limitations, as it can independently solve problems across diverse domains, akin to human capability, without the need for manual intervention. Unlike AI, which operates within defined boundaries, AGI has the unique ability to self-teach and proficiently solve problems it was never initially trained for. AGI stands as a theoretical embodiment of complete artificial intelligence, possessing the capacity to address complex tasks with generalized human cognitive abilities. AGI covers a wide range of application areas depending on the purpose of use. Let's get started by delving into the insights of a few examples. 1. Tailored education. Revolutionizes learning with personalized experiences, adapts to unique student needs, enhancing effectiveness. 2. Healthcare leap. Revolutionizes disease diagnosis and treatments, advances medical research and preventive healthcare. 3. Efficiency in business. Streamlines operations, from supply chains to customer service, handles complex tasks, optimizing business models. 4. Creative synergy. Blends AI with creativity, generating original content, explores tech's role in human creativity. 5. Strategic decision ally. Supports high-level decision-making with vast data processing, offers insights for policy, strategy, finance, and research. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is the pinnacle of AI, offering great possibilities but also challenges. Here is the list of challenges that every user or organization must be aware of. 1. Dominance and manipulation. AGI's advanced abilities could manipulate information, especially during elections. For example, it might use vast data to predict and influence voting patterns. 2. Economic disruptions and job loss. AGI outperforming humans may lead to job loss and economic imbalances. Automation by AGI could make some jobs obsolete, impacting employment. 3. Ethical concerns. AGI development raises ethical issues, like accountability and biased decision-making. For instance, biased AGI algorithms could affect hiring or legal decisions. Preparing for AGI. We must plan carefully for AGI's arrival. Addressing challenges like manipulation, job loss, and ethics requires collaboration between governments, industries, and tech developers. By navigating these challenges, we can harness AGI's benefits while avoiding unintended consequences. Artificial General Intelligence is poised to change how we work. While it may automate some tasks, it also creates new jobs requiring human qualities like creativity and critical thinking. This shift means we need to adapt through upskilling and retraining for the changing job market. To prepare for AGI, proactive measures are crucial. Governments and organizations should invest in upskilling programs, ensuring individuals have the needed skills for the AGI era. Continuous learning becomes vital for navigating these changes effectively. AGI not only presents challenges but also opportunities. It opens doors to new careers, emphasizing human skills like creativity. Focused upskilling in areas such as data analysis and machine learning is essential. Reskilling programs empower individuals to collaborate with AI, driving innovation in our evolving work landscape.